In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your number in Telegram without losing all of your data. So, before I get into the video, I just want to say, please be sure to watch the video the whole way through to ensure that you do not miss anything out. And be sure to like and subscribe if you do find this useful. Now, without further ado, let's get right into the video here. So, the first thing we want to do is go onto our phone and make sure we are logged into Telegram. You can see that I am here and I've got a lot of notifications going on. Now, once we've logged into Telegram, what we can do is we need to go to the little settings cog on the bottom left here. So click on that. Now, as you can see at the top, there's a little thing here that says change number. So as we're going to want to change our number, we want to click on that button there, and that will help us to change our number. So you should be taken to a page that looks a bit like this. It will display your number and it will say you can change your Telegram number here. Your account and all your cloud data, messages, media, etc. will be moved to your new number. So basically, when we press change number, we can change it to a new phone number, and that's going to move all our data perfectly fine without us having to port anything over, and we won't lose any data, which is very, very good. So once you go ahead and click on that button, it's going to ask you for the new number. It's going to ask you to verify the new SMS with a code. And once you do all of that, it's going to allow you to access your new Telegram account from your new number with all your old data on it. So it won't be a new account, but it will have all the old data on it, but it'll be a new number. But that's basically how you go about doing it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe and comment down below that it's helped. Thank you for watching.